Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making a full backup because downgrades wipe data. Once done, export critical files. Next, enable developer options and toggle USB debugging and OEM unlocking so the bootloader can be changed. Then, on your PC, download the official Android 13 factory image that matches your device SKU and the latest platform tools. This prevents mismatched firmware errors. Make sure your device battery is above 50% and you have a USB cable that supports data, not just charging. You now boot the phone into fast boot mode using a DB reboot bootloader or the hardware key combo. This gives you direct access to flashing commands. Once in fast boot, unlock the bootloader with Fastboot OEM Unlock or Fastboot Flashing Unlock. Remember, this action performs a factory wipe, which is why backups matter. After unlocking, execute the OEM-provided flashall script or run manual fastboot flash commands for bootloader, radio, system, vendor, and user data to install Android 13 cleanly. You finish by rebooting the device and completing the initial setup. Once Android 13 boots, restore your backed up data and reinstall apps. If you prefer a locked, verified state, relock the bootloader only after confirming system stability. Relocking can break custom recoveries. If the device doesn't boot, capture fastboot output and error messages, then reflash using the correct image and matching platform tools. This troubleshooting step resolves mismatched firmware or driver issues quickly, so you can
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.